Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to, and today I'm going to show you on how to change your username on Instagram using your desktop PC or laptop. So first you just have to open your web browser and then type out instagram.com and then log in to your account. Now just click on your profile at the left side of your screen and then click on the edit profile option. And on the settings, just click on the personal details and then choose the account that you want to change the username. So this account. Now click on the username. So right here, you just have to type out the available username. So as you can see, this username is not available. So I have to add more numbers or remove numbers or add letters. So as long as you can see the checked mark icon, it means that the username is available to use. And after that, you just have to click on the done option. And let's go back to our profile to check if my username has been changed. So as you can see right here, my username has been changed. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.